Hi guys, myself Nishad. I am here to discuss about time constant of a passive DC network. And we know that the passive network means a circuit consisting of passive elements such as resistance, inductance and capacitance. And the source is either a DC current source or voltage source. First order network means either RC circuit or RL circuits. Now we want to find the time constants of RC network and RL network. Okay, for an RL circuit, the time constant tau is equal to L by R, and for an RC circuit, the time constant is equal to RC. Okay, for RL network, time constant tau is equal to L equivalent divided by R equivalent. Here R is equivalent is the equivalent Thevenin's resistance. R equivalent is equal to Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Okay. And for an RC network, time constant tau is equal to R equivalent into C equivalent. Here R equivalent is the Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Finding R equivalent, the first we have to open circuit all current sources and short circuit all voltage sources and disconnect all inductance. So step 1 is open circuit current source. Okay. And second step is short circuit all voltage sources and disconnect all inductance. Then find the equivalent resistance R equivalent. For an RC network, the steps are same. That is, we open circuit the current source, short circuit voltage source, and disconnect all capacitance. And for finding L equivalent and C equivalent, what you have to do is, the first step is same, and second step is also same, and third step is disconnect all resistance and find either L or capacitance. Disconnect all resistance and find L equivalent in the case of an RL network, and in the case of a RC network find the C equivalent. So these are the procedures we are using for finding time constant of a RL or RC network. Now using this fact, we can do some problems. And this topic is also very important. Consider a source-free circuit. That is, there is no source-free circuit. Let this resistance be 12 ohm. This is connected to another resistance which is parallel to 12 ohm. Let it be 6 ohm. And another resistance of 8 ohm. And a capacitance C. Let C is equal to 1 by 3 farad. Now we want to find the time constant of this network. For this network, there is no source. There is no current source or voltage source. Time constant for an RC network, tau is equal to R equivalent into C equivalent. The equivalent circuit become, and the capacitance become disconnected. Okay, this is 12 ohm, again 6 ohm and 8 ohm. This 12 and 6 is in parallel, that is series with 8. So the equivalent resistance, that is R equivalent is equal to 12 parallel 6, that is series with 8 plus 8. So that is equal to 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, that is 18 plus 8, that is equal to 3. 3 times 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12 ohm. Okay, and here it is only one capacitance, and C equivalent is equal to 1 by 3 farad. So this is our C equivalent resistance, that is equal to 1 by 3 farad. Now time constant tau is equal to 12 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so the unit of time constant is second. Now in this example, I am going to draw a circuit with voltage source, that is with an independent voltage source. Okay, let the circuit be consisting of a battery source of 5 volt. This is connected to a resistance of 4 ohm, and again a resistance of 4 ohm. Then I am connecting a 1 ohm resistance here. Okay. Let here there is an inductance, and here also an inductance, and inductance is connected parallel to this branch. Let the value of this inductance be 2 by 3 Henry. Let the value of this is 2 Henry and 4 Henry. Now we want to find the time constant of this network. And for an RL network, time constant tau is equal to L equivalent divided by R equivalent. Okay. Now for finding R equivalent, what we have to do is, we have short circuit all voltage sources and open circuit all current sources and disconnect the inductance. So here there is only one voltage source. So short circuit this voltage source. So the equivalent circuit for finding RTH, we have a 4 ohm resistance that is connected to another 4 ohm resistance, and here there is a 1 ohm resistance, and disconnect all inductance. So this is our R equivalent, that is a Thevenin's equivalent resistance. This 4 and 4 is in parallel, that is series with this 1 ohm resistance. So this is equal to 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance of this circuit. Then we want to find the equivalent inductance. For finding equivalent inductance, what we have to do? We have to short circuit this and disconnect all the resistance. So the equivalent circuit for finding L equivalent, the circuit becomes okay. This is disconnected. So this is our L equivalent circuit for finding L equivalent. This is 2 by 3, 2 Henry and 4 Henry. So L equivalent is equal to this 2 by 3 plus this 2 and 4 are in parallel. That is 2 parallel 4. So that is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4. That is equal to 2 by 3 plus 8 by 6. That is equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 6 by 3. That is equal to 2 Henry. Therefore, our time constant is equal to L equivalent. L equivalent is equal to 2 and R equivalent is equal to 3. That is 2 by 3 seconds. Okay. So there is a circuit consisting of an independent current source. Let this be 1 ampere. This is connected to a resistance, and another resistance is connected, and we have an inductance. Let the values of this resistance be 1 ohm, 2 ohm and inductance be 2 Henry. Now we want to find the time constant of this network. So for finding R equivalent, we have to open circuit this current source. So the equivalent circuit become opening the current source, then we have 1 ohm resistance here, then this 2 ohm resistance, and disconnect this inductance. Okay, so this is the R equivalent resistance or Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Since this is open circuit. That means this resistance is excluded for finding R equivalent. Therefore, R equivalent is the equivalent resistance from looking from this side. That is equal to 2 ohm. R equivalent is equal to 2 ohm. Now, we have only one inductance. So, for finding the value of inductance, L equivalent, that is equal to 200. That is L equivalent is equal to 200. And time constant tau is equal to L equivalent by R equivalent. That is equal to 2 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 second. In this manner, we can find the time constant of any first order network. Okay. For the case of an RLC network, that is a second order network. That we will discuss in the next session. We have to find the time constant when dependent source is included. That also we will discuss in the next session. Okay, bye.